Hello there, this is Ben with WTI. I want to tell you about the Purgo USB-C hub for MacBook Air or Pro laptops. If you have one of those laptops, you probably already know you don't have much in the way of ports. So that's where this hub comes in really handy to use all those external devices, SD cards and the like. Let me show you a little bit about it. Okay, so you can see you just pull this right out of the side here in your laptop, that's where it goes. And as for the device itself, you've got TB3, a couple of USB ports, USB-C, SD, micro SD, and then here on the back side you got HDMI. And then to top it all off, you have this convenient little case to carry it in when you're not using it. If you've got a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and you need those extra ports like most of us do, I definitely recommend the Purgo USB-C hub for all your connection needs. And that's my point of view.